Anar malaka nyam ka nas jala content baro any lingwa seme ka Nuer online TV channel. Channel watch ka kwi lok Dr. Machar an wala shanka dioka pai wel kel ron kin dangro jandangro de dich. Shang mi jojo gwanu ba Dr. Machar ba nyoko mulo ke jere lok. Akan kono ka jen luka me chana men rach ka me chidot jok ka shanka dich mimo shanka jen dogu de kel ala Friday shang edane sha luk chaje luka ja chana some key issues te chiro den lad ne chana kelin kel gwase dan me sha luk chaje tok la luk Dr. Machar ka kor yo me paiwa ka special court kume kirme yadit kule la Ramadan la queer investigator ki lead investigator General Basilo Wani General Basilo Wani jen ramkel ka Nosen Bargazal chirme jen jen che Dr. Machar che gwan ketongwan ke report e cha lat ka kor ka jen Friday mo ti General Basilo Wani shela da wone ne ke taye da ne ti pinchala da George ko tina anu angu biyan ka Dr. Machar na yene yan ka je wargante yan ka je kani te nyu da no jen cha yen legally shuma legally ke cha yen ka do mi nyodo tukume te ka lonke te ka teten ano ko ngai kono rami momet la high profile case mishet kenne ka kwi Dr. Machar nyud yen de jadil yen ko ngot te char yale ka te char organize ko runtel mbele la questioned cha ke cha blitich ko be yik te ka evidence nyud no jen ko tok cha ngot cha ko gor ko dong cha bukene le ka la dan nyi ken je ko lat kono ne me it is not politically motivated yen just wo chi reng Machar che dur che je dur kan je kwara ni jenino de dil te ka nyud no reng Machar cha je yen kana je kware ka duo minyodo cha gor kume chana medan insha Allah General Basilo chana je linkel gwasmene General Basilo che la do wone ne ke tay dan insha Allah chine ri wan che ga ba ka tay dan che lat ke je ko go yen odong che de lat ko jen che re ma cha che je gwanya lun ka de bay chungwan en me chalat jara do wone ne jan do be yan ke Dr. Machar tela warga misha gor no Dr. Machar wa yen lat kan je ga tok kara medan e tup order mo a chief of defense nay kon chief of defense gude shal ke General Dr. Paul Nang agent ke order milado Dr. Machar ayan ke ja balyang michit na me man bu kon kule focus en kim na to tele written letter no written approval mishanong ka president selpa kirma yadit kia mijen ka parliament ala parliament gwadana and 10 members of parliament tin kia gwadana na writing tell written agreement kia mukuje proved anu Dr. Machar chayen legally kia ga duob mu wakangot kene de content ka highest level kia quarantenial tede ka authority tinte ka long awatele warga mishikana gor munyo do ken kana authorize kan long kan tup eno de Dr. Machar de jeyen a mission me she right ki tel yang mutot je no rewi ke juba so panyen kan siasin ki politician ti kerodian misha kwa jana no baramu di mangai ke baja yan ke atel warga misha gor kare yang moni ka constitution ya wara mugur jeno be kap kono warga gor mamanda na yen je run ba ko ngaje no jin chaja approved charan bu capture criminal metel warga anyok jen akwar kan je kwar dang barotin kono ya yen kel ko kwar den de deserve no de duoba la ngola kalat ke je ko in the end of the day ba gor nyong moni so no mode kan lat but kana gor mi na me kim yadit shala do ne mishit kana me awachere ke ku attempt chermi ke biran ko kumede ka bom e kunijen e ku attempt ko tele yowar gamishi agor biaran biajo watch wi kwamde ka jeno kwer a first by president kajen a commander in chief ko kume SPLA go tega nega de kwaje support nega de shunkel kaja ko sha constitution charge ignored ke charge lugo ne security chanyo do no ti siyase terede ki political things changmen kir dole ko dere dakum cha dere je face national election so much kana me nyuru jenode cha constitution cha ja by an 18 kon kelke kir men point kir mi yadit majang na ko benati je longno kengu melet kim chene makaja kame dan kir jaro de promise no bikan mal bikan no kan dakum cha kel chitke peace agreement ne dan cha ta ke 2018 ka jom chede me cha gu jeno ne me dere ko dere jeno kodi mi yan gaji atel later ki atel warga me cha gor wajen dere dinda ka involve the military dere interfere de ko dere talk wa mi chene me jaga ngot ko bi ka telot ko kan ngot kan ka gora kir jan ba jaka mat ka bala me pol ki be mat be tere wi ka South Sudan amen point na South Sudan be chu tere kur ko which when we did mission no chaja de yen lora bang atil ngot ji parliament gwase me chala do kan approved telekatetin telmichi kana ngaiten so kirim diana long netin kontilan ni keten ladwola jaguch kana dir kana long katin konant wo kana ga paydio go dan chikote to go je ronkin dangro jandang ro diech council minister ala members of parliament nere konti la right ku which mite mishuina ken manure abika dol ken ne wal la nyurken me kan dakam char kan yen la nyurken bana nyuka parliament ba do bande we dew nyam je ba je guch ba all the issues all the problem ba ka address again ko and members of parliament kim shall ke council minister ken ka bon bon mishalat gwaskel te kan ke steni rewika South Sudan ken steni ton ke steni nyodo ku represent dorun mite ke issues ke rek mtogan winmire dwaru ke tokton den ben ka palam bi address no dora te ke rega menene ko gor ji dwara gor kan makana bigalat bad ni ke jen paido ge dan lo te ke de ko la te ke pet ti shop ka baro wo ka badegan tama ken kan dol mo ken malat ken ne kon la council minister shala do ne wan me michal ke shi coincident ye perro de tenno bi ne kon la council minister she can be jek ke shi gumnur gwaskel na me michal design ke chari aleka an over work awa part of plant ko ba ne tin kon tin ta ka kuma da kama char ba ka dil weekend ko tel ne rubin yur ba guje no shi kuma SPLA yo che fail ko go ye no mi na nyur by the way re parliament ka and council minister mi jig nyur da ta ka wana de kan ka address de kan te question wana de kan ka kan but for that reason cha guje kan no china abunyur ko mo na nyur bene de la members of parliament baga mo ka chance ko bikan kume we dan right ke bikan questioned so ne de wan taken no ne ka malatin ko gor ka kane so report me agenda na le roda ka kwi Dr. Machar ne to ngare wi ke South Sudan ngai kanu ne me siyasa ko ayen Dr. Machar cin ngai konon walle banan gwalok ele ka binawu beskete konde chalat ala course examination ta cha Dr. Machar chaje lukaje ke chaje gwan kaje te ke jen gudo me chal ka basilon kan tam cha jojo no tele concrete evidence cha nyot George ano ci Dr. Machar che dur che jalat ken jukware ten dial ya gwi gen dial ke legal kati ci ring money ti cha ku lam ne kalet so mi chena me mu we kana cha je let ka dom choro lut South Sudan che bore mal ka Jordan chalat gwasme shineti one she got right kane kola citizen re wika South Sudan you know kane men lat ke kume kane riek ko mi yan karam di timi shet ke dar ko cha je de yen you know ka do mi cha ngaje ne dal de ngach dar ko cha je gwan ka duer ngwan ngai kona dino tem rai na man George ra general Basilio wani me tin kona chalat kendial waje te ke doubt ke ti cha gu no chika tuok ko ma kan ngot kan ga yor pin ke kan ngot kan ka gor nyu je no en ta dan en lo ka dar ko char ka je ti chong siyasa ke politik so mi jak kumi kir ko ba gu no men la de ti chong beje kwen gwasa me ka Jordan shanun ka je you know ne da kontin chirwa ke ne ko la citizen re wika South Sudan ka do badan en we man we look at ja ba kwen ka to English ba kula ling last week at the special court the government led investigator General Basilio Wani made a shocking statement. Wani said that the arrest of Dr. Machar, the first vice president and commander-in-chief of SPLIO, was ordered verbally. The arrest was ordered verbally by the Chief of Defense, General Dr. Polna. Here is the key point. Wani stated that there was no written approval from the President Yadit or the Parliament for this arrest. That means officially the highest legal authority did not authorize this important action. This revelation alone, it has increased political tension in Juba. Many political experts are now asking serious questions. Some say that this move could be seen as a coup attempt because it ignored the constitution, the peace agreement, and the will of the people. And others warn that when the military interfere in politics, it weakens the law and can threaten the unity and stability of South Sudan as a country. People are blaming General Polnang for not following the law, for simply giving order that Dr. Machar should be arrested. And it happened. Observers also noted another worrying fact. Since March 2025, the council minister has not been meeting regularly. Some analysts believe this is not just coincidence. They argue that it may be part of a planned attempt to weaken the government from inside. So, what does all this mean for South Sudan as a country? First, it raises a serious question about respect for the law and the constitution. Second, it showed deep political division within the government. Third, it warned us about the danger of the military getting involved in politics because Paul Nang involved. And Paul Nang work is to protect the people, not arresting some leaders based on who they lead or who they support or what party they come from. For the people of South Sudan, these events are serious. They affect democracy, peace agreement, and the hope for unity in the country. Many people also spoke to experts and citizens about this case. Many expressed shock and concern. They feel the government of South Sudan must follow legal steps when arresting any political leader. Some say if the law is ignored for one person, it can happen to anyone. This is dangerous for South Sudan as a country. So it can also be dangerous for the future of South Sudan. Dr. Machar has been accused of many things. He has been accused of treason. But if you go back, the new fact revealed by General Wani, it casts doubt on these charges. Without proper authorization, the arrest itself could be illegal. This is why many legal experts now question whether the court move forward without reviewing how the arrest happened. So let us summarize the key point for our viewers. Dr. Machar was arrested verbally ordered by military without written approvals. The arrest raised serious legal and constitutional concerns. Political analysts warn that this may be planned. It may be planned effort to create division and weaken the SPLMIO. The suspension of council and minister meeting show internal government problem because the government do not want some question to be raised by the council of minister. These points make it clear that this is more than a normal political case. It affects the whole South Sudan. As this story developed, South Sudanese citizens must stay informed. South Sudan country need law. It need peace and unity now more than ever. So much it can menen kona me. O ta dan en roke da kuma charga jere which ka South Sudan ja jiga no jen tele ngotte chagor kuma kirmi yadit. Komite ngotte chagor by the way did yal she chika George. An kore dana shi to mu wo kon jok ne te kon te ga ke te nyin ke kuma kirmi yadi de ne SSP de nyin ken ke ngwana nwere ti shika ne jiga no shanka ne ken changa ke jak. So ci kure ci tuok me ko me tuok ci ponde kir kana jen wuri chalga me general Paul na ngala chief of defense ci kare na ci kana jakaji Uganda kel ci kan Uganda kana deploy re which wuri chalga me Dr. Bolmel che army UPDF army che ko do no bia re which the Ugandan de ni ken ci bre wi ka South Sudan mentor right now ka tin ka South Sudan ko ga pay ka you and one individual la jamu ke $200 per day, which is equivalent to $6,000 monthly. That is the monthly income, just for ordinary soldiers, not their commander, their leader. Maybe they are receiving more than $400 or $500 per day. Nobody know how much they are getting, but according to reported an HLA the native content la community warab mega kan ke kir kan po nangano right now SSPDF tell you je kan ke yantone pay yen kum Uganda ke yutung wani chikeno so jen do bran kwalo ngai ke jeno kum South Sudan gulu yodi al gulu ke west ke military so kan de kono kwatar gede kan kwatar ganen wore jen do bran chikon linga so right now mu ko joje no chikir cheneti cheka kok you know nyodo jeno en gudu chalga me ponang poinde we mean that ajara manana gulo odor gulutup eno ba Dr. Machar ba yen nyodo no na me illegal kami illegal nyodo jeno ba kirm yadit ba guje no ta dana yere Machar gaje e politique siasa so for that reason ba guje no reng Machar cha go loro bang nyodo jeno de jelun so jo me derwe ka kon en walle Dr. Machar ba lugdona ma ba je luk chere manana channel ngwaze me kulugo ba lugo ba jojano ba tok kana kaide ba ka jikten ka jojo longo no reng Machar yan je lor bang according to the report dan je kona kwen en wale ba la na cross examination ba kandi ale kona chala da kuma kirm yadit ba ka lat golka ba token ba ka lat golka en wo kurche to yes definitely true ka che kam SPLIO kana SSPDF akam Nuer wayami kene de SSPDF chit kamenti red beletema ka bor chedamenti agwele force chegamenti ko kena to wana ka bishop not on kan bondi alati ka bon la no when Nuer wayami shika gurumi kap ka yoke to gwakel they simply mobilize when they see something which is threatening the family shika ne de modong la to gwakel mo ka you know but agwele mo ka yoke to uniform Nuer wayami they do not have anything at all. They just rise up when they see threat. so na mo ajan ta da nan wun wane kaje riang Machar banang re logo wale ka ba lu ka tin ko ne shalen gwasame kia ba cross examination ba jalat ka ta da nan chagui jeno ala court case kana gul gor ka do brande gor kaje kede di ala de ka ngot so muti cha gur ka ngot e wanyu jeno de manan lat ke kane di alati wada laba so jo me der we kaye an man shongo gwadame liebe leren kokin konen be banate kamal bye bye